Check it out. Now that is a beautiful little jalapeno.
It's golden.
It is golden. I got an article on my phone about this bad boy. Let me just pull it up real quick.
Is that tomato?
No, this is not a tomato. This is a chili pepper.
Is it spicy?
I think it is. Let's check this out real quick. The lemon spice. So the New Mexico lemon spice has a Scoville heat unit of 25,000.
Is that hotter than the chili day water?
Might be. You want to try the first bite?
Yeah. It's quite sweet.
Look at baby, took a bite. Look at how thick-walled this guy is.
It's sweet.
This is delicious.
Give me another.
It's a little spicy, watch out.
It's quite good.
This is delicious.
It would be very good in a curry.
It would be good in a salsa, it'd be good in anything. This is definitely pepper. If you can get your hands on it, get it. Take another bite.
I want another bite. It's so good.
It's spicy though. What I want you to do is get a bowl, paper bowl, put this in there and put it in my office, okay? We're gonna save seed from this guy, but not before I eat the flesh.
Quite delicious, actually.
Want some without?
Yes, please.
That shouldn't be hot. So we got some seeds. Hopefully it'll produce more. I'll be honest with you guys. This garden that we're producing our chilies in, if you look over here, we got a big, beautiful ash growing. That thing's roots are really making it difficult. I'm going to rethink our chili situation next year. But we got what we got. We got to do what we got with what we got. So this was this was one of the best we've had. Delicious. My hat's off to NMSU. I'm really happy to have bought this one. Great one to try. Highly recommend it to all you guys. And let's come under the patio. This probably goes without saying. Remember, you're going to put that away for me. No. But sometimes you need power tools, but I'll show you why.
What is
Because sometimes look at this bit. Come here, I'm not gonna. What do you think? I'm gonna zap you with it? We have right over here. Oh wow. Huh. It doesn't even need it. It comes with a hole built right in. I pulled out my drill for nothing. That's okay. We're gonna unlock it, take that bad boy out.
That's his mom's drill. It's not even his
Oh no,
drill.
that's mine.
No.
That bad boy is all Dad's.
Look at his nose.
Oh? So what we're gonna do is repot some of these chili peppers. By the way, check out my cool new bucket that my kids and wife got me for Father's Day.
I have nothing to do with that bucket. I got it for him.
Oh, I guess it was my good kid Mitzi who got it for me.
Oh, shiver me timbers.
Shiver me timbers. So today,
Oh, that's your caca.
you want to see me replant a chili pepper, or should we make a video of that?
Well, no.
Well, let's do it
That
today
took ages
because
for
it's
me
nice
to
and
edit
cool.
with all
So
the sound effects.
go ahead and put it on pause for now. I'm going to move the water.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and take it away, Mitzi.
Hit the top.
You got to go to Mitzi, dude.
Hit the top. Top. Hit the top. Top.
This is Bathtub Rap.